Hello, my name is Rahman. I take the course Object-Oriented Design and Analysis. So the presentation is about student self-service system. So let's get started. Who are the users? Users are also known as actors. These are students and professors. Also, I would include the external actor, which is XYZ Bank, but it would take too much time to explain about the external actor. So I just include the internal actors who will interact with the application itself. And I would like to rate these actors. The first place I would give to the students, since application is more focused on the student services. And from a viewpoint of students, if we use more services and do most of the services through the application, it means we have more dependency from that application. That's why students are graded as a first one, and second is the professors who only has only two services offered. uh, these are submitting the grades and viewing the registered students of that course. So about the system block diagram. Block diagram consists of three main modules: DCU module, bank module, and UI module. So let's start with the DCU module. First point is that this is considered native module of the DCU. Since this module offers this student or professor management services, this is nothing new here. Uh, In this module, students can register, pay, drop, or view their registered courses based on various conditions we'll talk about later. And the third one is that this module interacts with the bank module for payment processes, and it uses that module for the secure, reliable payment process. And again, this module is a part of the student self-service system. About the XYZ bank module. This module is responsible for the course payment transactions of students, and this module should use the native bank server for security reasons and for the sake of compliance with payment regulations and other standards. um, this module is the key for unlocking the feature in this view module, since students are not allowed uh, technically to view the grades before uh, making a payment for the course in full according to the software requirement. Uh, so as well, it was requested to have a peer review of our block diagram. I had a three peers that reviewed my block diagram, and the first two uh, couldn't give me suggestions or recommendations, and confirmed that uh, that block diagram has a pretty much well everything. But when the third one just recommended me to rename one function name, which is a view course, but now it's a view course list for the better readability. And the second suggestion was that I forgot or uh, didn't know why, don't know why. When there is a when the function view course list is activated, it requests the authorization to check whether a student authorized to view their grades. But that authorization function didn't give a response to view course list. That was a mistake that I did, and my third peer recommended to indicate the response from the authorization function to view course list. So this is the uh, last state of my student self-serve system. As you can see, it uses two servers. One is native to DCU, the other one is native to the bank server. And In DCU module, we can see the course DCU security and grade module. It clearly explains everything, in my opinion. Um, the XYZ bank module is responsible, as I said, for transferring, getting refund, uh, and uh, paying, enabling to pay on campus. Yeah, so I just follow the basic logic, since as we said, that application is necessary for the students, and that application involves only two organizations, which are DCU and the bank. So I created separate two modules for the future scalability, and for the sake of uh, in the terms of software quality. Thanks for the watching.